Over 810. Well, that's stuff. 802 10. Lincoln Central. On today's cards, unofficial strike action because it was cancelled, but it was too late to reinstate passenger trains. Because of a severe bridge bash near Stamford, there'll be additional traffic until further notice, being diverted between Ham Hall and Peterborough. 6722 6770. Due to a severe bridge bash between Oakham and Stamford, the railway has been closed for up to the next 4 weeks. Passenger trains will start and terminate at Peterborough and Leicester. Or in regards to East Midlands Railway, early morning services will be diverted via Grantham. Freight services will be diverted via either Grantham or Lincoln, adding to their journey times or in some places cutting them back down. Additionally, we have unofficial strike action today because strike action was called off at 15:39 on Friday, or whenever it was. But it was over an hour and a half, way past the timetable deadline, so we have to keep the same timetable today because of that legislation. So thanks for that one, lads. So you just saw the first train of the day, and in half an hour, we've got the last train of the day. Was it really worth calling Swinderby Signaller in, or is it being run by the mobile operations manager today? And for the final train of the day. Monday the 7th of November 2022 at 13:04 for the 1314 British Railfreight service from Peterborough North Yard to Wellingborough Up Terminal Complex. The final train of the day. Because of unofficial industrial action. Basically it was cancelled way too late to reinstate any passenger services. So the time we get a full passenger timetable will be Wednesday. Tomorrow will be gradual reintroduction again as per normal conditions. So the services won't restart before 7:30 and again will end at 1800 hours at the latest. The next time strike action can appear is after the next ballot, which is about the 20-somethingth of the month, so we've got 2 to 3 weeks clear. Next time they can pull us out if they so want to, or clash with the Christmas market, which happened last year. But then they pulled the action too late then, so we had Christmas in strike. And the final train of the day, CT6753. EMD Roberts Road for Wellingborough. And now the Lincoln team can clock off for the rest of the day. So can the Swinderby Signaller.